Hey you guys, it's Catherine Joy from thecatherinejoy.com, and today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite simple systems of 2018. My super organized, super systematized diaper bag. So my diaper bag was that one that had rats nesting in it. Actually, I think I found a mouse one time. It was the diaper bag that had, like a layer of crumbles on the bottom and then dirty diapers mixed in. And if you went for a treasure hunt, you might find a toy or a rotten banana or something. So I always grabbed it. There was so much garbage in there. I was sure that I had, something that I needed. But one time I made it 45 minutes away at a friend's house and realized that I totally forgot Leon's bottle. I forgot his diapers, I was constantly mooching wipes off of people, and basically I did not have it together at all. So I found this system. Like all my simple systems, it's easier to do than not to do. So let me show you what's inside. What I love about this bag is that it has so many pockets on it. Boom, boom, here's my 2 holsters in the front. And on the back, it has another 3. On the side, I end up putting my wipes in this pocket on the side because they're actually way easier to grab and I don't have to dig in my bag. I also use wipes all the time, not just for changing Leon's diaper. The most important pockets to me are these double holsters on the front. The double holsters on the front hold his bottle and his sippy cup. I never forget his bottle or his sippy cup anymore because I just look at his diaper bag, and if my holsters are empty, then I just know that I need to pop these in here. It's an awesome visual reminder for those of you who, like me, tend to forget. With these 3 pockets, we know you're totally in a hurry for something and you don't have time to put back in your diaper bag what you need to. Instead of chucking it back in there, go ahead and just put it in these pockets. Then when you have time, you can take it from the pockets and put it actually where it belongs in the bag. Okay, so this comes to my favorite part of my diaper bag. I got this system for $19. There's really popular ones out there for about $40 to $45, and I'm sure they are much higher quality and all that, but it's worked awesome for me. Check that out. How organized is that? It's a super simple filing system, you guys. It's all held together by this awesome hook at the end. They're really easy to clip off if I just want to take a certain bag with me, and then I can just clip them back on in the right order. And the cool thing is that if I ever get tired of this diaper bag and decide I want to upgrade to the $300 leather model, then I just take this system, I plop it in the new diaper bag, and I still know where every single thing in my diaper bag is. The first one here is for me, okay? So this is where I keep extra change. I actually keep a toy for Leon. I keep stuff like lipstick in here, or chapstick, rubber bands, bobby pins, and I throw my phone in here when I go somewhere. So I totally actually got rid of my purse, and this is my little purse within Leon's diaper bag. So in here, I keep Leon's bib at all times. So if we go to a restaurant or to a friend's house, I have a bib for him, and then I keep snacks in here. Sometimes people like to keep these in their car, but I find I like to have it with me all the time if I'm in a friend's car, if I'm at my parents' house, wherever. So I keep an extra change of clothes for Leon in this pouch. I keep his cloth diapers and salve for his bottom. I used to keep the wipes in here, but like I mentioned before, it's way easier to access them on the outside of the diaper bag, so I don't do that anymore. And then in this is actually a wet bag, which I love. Some of the systems don't have this, and it might not matter for you, but for me, since I do cloth diaper, it's really nice to be able to just put the soiled cloth diapers in here and not have to worry about them until I get home. You want to have some kind of trigger to make sure that everything that you think is in your diaper bag is actually in your diaper bag, because obviously you're constantly taking out snacks, taking out clothes, taking out stuff. So you want to make sure you have some kind of mental trigger that reminds you, oh, I need to check the diaper bag before I leave the house. If you're already organized, this isn't going to be a problem for you, but if you're forgetful, it'll be a problem. Trust me. For me, that mental trigger is when I get home, because I cloth diaper, I have dirty, stinky diapers in there, and for some reason, I always remember that. However, the cool thing about this is even if you're running out the door in a rush, you don't have to dig through your bag to check if everything that you need is already in there. It's really easy to just flip through this little filing system and say, good, 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 good. Oh, I'm missing diapers. I hope this simple system was helpful for you. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Anyways, I hope you have an awesome day, and I will catch you next Thursday.